Hey guys, welcoming on my channel. Now we are going to go at which place? Jagannath. Yeah, Jagannath. We are going to go at Lak and Jairus Dogan also will meeting. This is my friend, but face is not coming. You can see on the back side. Yeah, his bag is so good. Now we are going. This is our house, not our house. This is one's house, but we are staying here with paying money. Here also people staying. Here also people staying. Now we are going out of the gate. Like that you was and see. This is very good. See, my silver is not nice me, but I'm going with this one. Going. Road is very nice. Wow, she very nice. Like natural beauty. So many small people playing with sound too much. My sound also becoming less. Children, they're running and playing. It's too far with walking, and our leg is very shitra. Not nice. This is my new car. You want to climb? No. Okay, I'll show you later. We'll go this side again. This is my new car again. See, here very nice gate. I'll show you one beautiful house. Very nice. See, very nice house. I'm going to make like that house. It's very damn neat. See, gate. Future I'll take this type house by making own money. Now again we are going for gymming out. My body is too small. Now I'm going to make my body big. Again I see one more nice house, nice home. This is very nice home. Here old people, they are taking fees freely. They don't pay money also, 1 rupees also. They used to steal here fees one by one, and here fees is finishing day by day. Now we are going in big pond. That name is Jagannath. See, I'll show you our Jagannath place. See, this is like king house, old one, but I don't know what is this. Still now also, I'm staying here 2-3 years ago, but I don't know what is this. Huh? He don't know. I'll show you now my pond, very small pond, just low. See, this is our pond. Very nice. You can see this is very big also. I'm telling just you people small, but here many people bathing with dirty waters, and here also some people sitting and going on Turola. You can see. You also come into here Turola. Very nice weather also coming. Very wind also. Very cool coming with waters. Now we are going to go at government gym place without money. No money we have. That's why going at free gym. What and like that. See, this is very nice place. This is KBI school. You can see and come in visiting here. Also see very nice poster making. People I will show you by nearly. This is called save water. We must have water, and this is our king, and this is you know everyone, children people. It is Sutabim, and you have to clean. And here many traffic rules is there, and we are Indians, and green means like we have to save tree, and corona of the we kick with like football. See, you can see we kick like football corona. This is our Mahatma Gandhi, our father, and you can see more here. Swasthya Bharat is going on, and many people cleaning here, and you people also clean every day with the wood. Oh, see, this is now we came at gym place. Here is going on free gym, and no need money, no money also. You can come big body. You can make big body, and many people coming here and making see. You can see here many people doing big body, and you people also come. This is nearby Jagannath Jagannath Pond. See, this is my friend. He thought that I'm clicking her photo, but not clicking. I'm clicking video. See, then let's go more. Let me show you more nearly, and you come and see one day. See, this is many people are here doing evening gym, and very nice place also, and gym place also very nice, and you can come in to here freely, no need money, zero balance, come gym, no need money, you can come into here gym. See, this is also very nice, and this is very like 20 kg. Come and lipping. See, many people are coming, but only travel look only less having here. We finish our gym. We're going back to the rain. ये क्या है? क्या? Oh, Silas. Jump. Come. किधर से जाएंगे? Same way. हाँ? उधर से बड़ा पास है क्या? We're going our end. This is the last clip of our video.
So thank you guys.
So thank you. Really welcome on my channel. And next time, next video coming soon. Watch what like that, and giving support, and channel new coming, then give subscribe, subscribe, and bell icon click कर दो. उसके बाद this is last. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.